Okay, we are in BMW. That's my old shift knob with a lot of awareness, as you can see. Okay, and I already changed harness from to double all this information. So I change harness to this one, and what I get this one. I think everything works. So now we have parking. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, press on gas, brake pedal, switch to rear, and showing rear, still showing drive. They're not showing any modes actually, any modes here. Okay, switch to neutral, it's work, and switch to drive, it's work, switch to manual, work, so everything work. So now we have cool modern BMW shifter.